In this video, I decided to show you guys my hair growth and road to healthy hair journey. In this first episode, I'm gonna show you haircut and tips healthy hair routine that worked for me. Hi guys, my name is Prissha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I had extreme hair fall back in 2018 and it took over 2 years and above to fix this issue and finally found a perfect routine for me. I know that hair is very important to all the girls. Girls, I got you. I'm gonna share with you my tips to get healthy hair from this to this. We're near to 1K, so if you like to help us get there and subscribe down below and also leave a comment saying anything. It really helps me to grow my channel. Join with me to follow my routines to fix our hair issues. I hope you enjoy this video and let's start by cutting my hair. This is how my hair was before the haircut. As you can see, I do have damaged hair, frizzy hair, and my hair have grown long. My hair was damaged due to hair color, guys. So I usually trim my hair every 2 to 3 months to allow my hair grow healthier, avoid split ends, no more heat damage, makes my hair look thicker and reduce frizz. If you allow split ends to stay on the strand, the hair will continue to split. So I went to AK Hair Salon to cut all my damaged hair. This is not a sponsor video, guys. I dyed my hair on 2018 for Deepavali. Then after a month, my hair starts to fall more than usual. At one point, I made decision to straighten my hair because my hair looks more gross. So in 2019, I straightened my hair and let it grow by itself and stopped trying products to solve this issue because none of that works for my hair. Even I have tried herbals to cure this, but it still didn't work at all. I have done soft rebonding because it requires less heat, which means less heat, less damage. But I done it at another salon because since this pandemic occurs, they stopped their business. Okay guys, look at my healthy hair. Okay guys, tips number 2 is don't ever tie your hair like this. All you have to do is brush your hair and take all together like this and twist it. Twist. Put like a bun and secure it with a scrunchie or anything, guys. So for the third tip is whenever you are going to sleep or you are taking a nap, don't ever go to bed with a free hair because it will damage your hair while you are sleeping. So all you have to do is braid your hair before go to sleep. So I usually before go to bed I will do my skincare routine and I will comb my hair and I will braid it so it will secure my hair. It won't damage my hair at night while I'm sleeping. There are more than 3 tips that I got for you guys that I always do for my hair care. Hair is very important for all the girls, right? So we should take care like we take care a baby. Oh, ignore that. Who cares while you are sleeping? You have to put the nice braid, is it? So sorry for the pronunciation. Okay, I already braided my hair. Okay guys, that was the end of this video. I filmed the outro and intro after making this video. So that's why I look the same. So I just want an overview after my haircut. First of all, I get back all my waves and my hair looked more healthy after chopping down all the damaged and frizzy hair. After using those tips that I have given you guys, my hair fall has reduced a bit than usual. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below how these tips helps you in this first episode. In coming episodes, I will share with you more tips on how to take care your hair in healthy way. So stay tuned guys. Bye. Stay safe and stay positive.